Meanwhile, the AFP clarified that the Philippine-US war games this week are not linked to the tension in the Korean Peninsula. The annual Balikatan will be held starting April 5 until the 17th. This report.
The upcoming Balikatan Exercise 2013 is not affected by the tension happening in the Korean Peninsula. Balikatan spokesperson Major Emmanuel says Balikatan consists of three parts: the Humanitarian Civic Assistance Project, Medical and Dental Mission in Zambales, and Field Training Exercise, which will focus on the readiness of the military troops in times of calamities like typhoons.
Ang magiging focus ngayon ng Command Post Exercise for the HADR is yung senaryo na may isang bagyo na darating, and itetest kung ano yung mga appropriate measures and moves na magagawa natin in conjunction with other government agencies and with the help of other countries like the United States.
30 military aircraft and 2 vessels from Armed Forces of the Philippines and United States military will be deployed to support more than 8,000 Filipino and American soldiers in Balikatan. 20 of these are from U.S. military, 14 of which have already arrived at Clark Air Base, Pampanga last Monday, and the remaining 6 due to arrive today until April 8. The only U.S. Navy ship that will be used in the military exercise is already in Manila Bay to offload equipment for Balikatan. For People's Television, Dina Pagibit.